Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix BattlEye is required to play GTA Online. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure that on your Rockstar Games BattlEye is enabled. So you just need to go to Rockstar Game Launcher, go to Settings, make sure BattlEye is enabled here. Then if you have GTA 5 on Steam, you need to go to Steam, then look for GTA 5, right click on it, go to properties and make sure on launch options there is no minus no BattlEye option for you. If there is, just delete it, launch the game and it should work. Same thing with Epic Games as well. Go to the GTA 5, go to manage and then go to launch options and just disable launch options or delete everything from this line. And if this do not work, then you need to go to the game directory. In my case, I have on Steam, so I just need to go to GTA 5, right-click properties, install files, browse, and then you need to look for RGS.txt file. If you have this file here, you just need to right-click on it and delete it, and then look if the problem persists launching the game. If the problem persists, then go to install files and verify integrity of the game files. And if this do not work, a lot of people said that messing basically something tweaking in the BIOS and after that the game will not work. So what a lot of people did, depending on Reddit, they downgraded BIOS to the not latest version but the previous one or other, and it seems it worked. So if none of these options is working for you that I showed you, try to downgrade your BIOS. Of course, for all of you will not be the same, so you just need to go Google it out, your specific motherboard, and then you just need to downgrade BIOS. And if you want to know what, for example, motherboard you're using, you just need to go to system information, and then you'll see everything here. Right? So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.